Okay, this is what we call a restoration clean. As you can see, this carpet is very heavily soiled. There's all sorts of stuff spilt in this carpet. I'll just run you through, give you a quick look of what it looks like. High traffic areas, goes all the way down the hallway. It's quite bad. Into the room. Room 2. Now this job will probably take us about maybe 3-4 hours, but the end result should look great. Alright, we'll show you the end result on the next pic. Okay, so this is the end result after a restoration clean. As you can see, it looks a lot better. It's come up really well. I'll just take you right through it. It was quite heavily soiled before. And we'll just go through into the rooms. There we go. Into bedroom 2. There's a few indentations from furniture, but overall I'm quite happy with the way it's come up. There we go. Alright, so if you've got a rental property that's been trashed, you want to rent a restoration clean,